Hey, welcome in Rockstars. Welcome back to the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel. Welcome to all the new viewers of the channel. Today I am at Target, which I'm going to show you in a minute, but first I'm in the middle of doing a 1,300 piece clothing bulk purchase. You guys can see there's about 100 to 120 pieces in this bin and about another 120 or so in this bin. So I got 250. I have the SUV today. We do have an SUV, of course, and I'm gonna go back and pick up one more up front, and then that'll be about 330 pieces, and then once I get another pickup of 3 more, I'll have 660. So it's gonna take about 4 or 5 trips. I might call my dad, who has a truck, and just see if he can pick them all up. It'd just be easier to make one trip with the truck rather than 3 or 4 with my SUV. So that is today's purchase. We'll do a haul on all this stuff, and I'll show you what all I got for 1,300 pieces. This may take a little while to get it together, but I just want to show you guys that I am in the middle of another bulk purchase. This is kind of the way that I work. A lot of people are going to ask how we went about getting a bulk purchase, and this is just a lot of networking and a lot of knowing people, and because of my social media and my following, a lot of people go out of business or want to sell their eBay inventory, and so this kind of is how I do it. I actually, after I already agreed to buy this stuff, I had somebody else message me on Instagram about bulk purchases. So unfortunately, when I do make a big purchase like this, it takes all of our time, and we don't have time for other ones, but I do try to buy what I can. So never hurts to ask, and if I'm in the market for it, then certainly send me an email, rockstarflipper@gmail.com, and I'll take a look at what you have. So with that said, let's move on to today's video, which is inside of Target, and I'm going to show you why in just a minute. Here it is, good old Target, and the Target balls. Thank God for this little fuzzy thing on top of my microphone. It is windy today. We had tornadoes yesterday, and the wind is just bad. All right, this is why we are inside of Target. This is the Hunter collection for Target by Hunter. And if you guys didn't see the news about this, these just released. This is its own independent brand, but they made a line for Target, and they had some release problems where they had a lot of defective merchandise in some stores. They had to recall a lot of it, and some stores don't actually, still to this day, don't have any in stock. My store has it. They have these crazy rain boots. Look at these things. So a pair of rain boots like this are gonna run you $35. They have sandals, obviously shirts, shorts. If you're in this area of Florida, they have it. Here's the big rain looking boot things. These are 40. So this store does have the Hunter collection in stock. A lot of you guys posting about this on Twitter and Instagram, Facebook, the whole thing. So the little kids rain jackets, this little striped one is 30. This yellow one here is 35. Same price for the gray one, I would assume. 35, yep. More of the Hunter collection here. They have beach towels, which I just looked through a bunch of these towels. There's no prices on these. I assume they're probably like, what, 15 or 20 bucks. Lots of cool stuff there. They have hammocks in a bag. Paddle ball sets. Frisbees. More of the cute little kids rain boots going on here. All the Hunter collection, super popular right now. Really, really a huge outcry on Twitter when they had a lot of defective goods. So they may have gotten it straight. Some of the clothing. This thing is 35 bucks. 35 for the jacket. Pants are, let's try to get some of these. These Hunter pants are 26. So it looks like most stuff is between like 25 and 35. Here's the whole little collection. They've got some bags over here. These look like, these are $30. These are like a nice beach bag you could take to the beach for the day. That's kind of cool. It's silicone rubber tote here. 15 by 18 by 10. It's got a little weight to it. So this is the most expensive item I found. It's $50. And this is a backpack cooler, which this might be cool for like the beach too. They have a $60 sunshade awning. Kind of sits like that. It's in a bag. And then also these for $35, again, drink container and cup set. Look at the notice. Must be returned within 14 days of purchase for a refund. Special on Hunter. Gotta love the Target. Gotta love the bullseye dog. Bully bully. Again, 14-day return only. They also have lines of socks, kids socks. These are $6 for 2 pair. So there it is, at least in Brandon, Florida, the Hunter collection in stock, ready to go. So I was buying a puzzle that I'm gonna buy and take home and build, but it came to my attention that maybe some of this stuff from Hunter is resellable retail arbitrage. So I started looking some of this stuff up, especially the more expensive stuff like those totes and especially these backpack coolers. These are 50 bucks, $50, and they are consistently fetching around 90, right at 90. They're obviously heavy to ship, but after 90, you're gonna be out like 11 or 12 bucks in fees. So you're gonna be at like $78, and then figuring 15 or 20 to ship them. 15 leaves you at 63, 20 leaves you, at like 58. Not a lot of room, 10 or 11 bucks profit, and if they happen to sell for a little less, you're stuck. So retail arbitraging these may not be in your best interest. I also looked up the totes, which are 30. They're selling for about 50, which is 20 profit, but this thing is gonna definitely cost at least 8 to 10 to ship, which is gonna leave you, 11. You're gonna pay fees, so no real money there either. I think I looked up these jackets that are 35, and a lot of people had them at 50, but not a lot of solds. There wasn't a lot of solds on this stuff because they're in stores. When you're only talking about, I don't know, 15 or 20 total in profit, you're taking, even on first class items, 4 to ship them, and then 4 or 5 bucks in fees, 10 bucks off of your 15 in profit. There's really not a lot of room to be spending this kind of money for RA. You might be able to make a few bucks, but I wouldn't risk it. Really, really wouldn't. I know some of you are gonna ask about that. I'm certain some of you are gonna ask me, is there a chance you can resell this stuff? That's initially what I was thinking when I came in. Maybe there was a chance. I wanted to check the collection out because a lot of you asked, but I thought there might be a retail arbitrage RA opportunity. Doesn't look like that's gonna happen. So that type of RA, retail arbitrage, is something that you have to be very, very careful about, because if you go and you spend $35, 30, 35 bucks, and you're spending 10, 15 items, 3, 4, 500 bucks, that's great. But if you're only gonna make 5 or 10 per item, you're only gonna make, $50 to $100 profit. That's not gonna work. Not to mention, this is kind of a fad type item. I don't think this item's gonna stay at those prices. There's not a whole lot of solds. It looks like the store is good on them, so careful if you're gonna try that. I mean, if you wanna experiment with 1 or 2 pieces and see what happens, you could return them. I don't condone that, but it's something, with retail arbitrage that you really have to, know what you're doing, know how you're spending your money, and also make sure that the returns on the money are profitable and worth your time and effort. It only takes one mistake and you could be out a couple $100 bucks or be stuck with a bunch of inventory you can't do anything with. I easily could go in there right now and buy 10, 15 of those coolers and bags and jackets and spend $350, $400, $450 bucks and bring it all home and try to sell it. But at the end of the day, how much money am I really gonna make? So we're gonna head home, and I appreciate you guys checking out the video. A lot of people wanted to know the story on the Hunter collection for Target, so there you go. Not a lot of retail opportunity, retail arbitrage opportunity, but a very cool collection if you need some beach bags or some cooler bags or cups and things like that. Rain jackets, rain boots, they've got all that. And feel free to check it out, and make sure you check out the description box before you leave the video. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel with notifications on. As always, double check that any chance you get, because sometimes YouTube will boot you. And I'm gonna go ahead and leave the parking lot now and turn this off, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much.